YouView devices currently offer full Netflix support. The BT TV Pro box provides complete Netflix integration with 4K and HDR support. EETV Box newer models include the native Netflix app, while TalkTalk TV 4K boxes come with Netflix pre-installed. Unfortunately, older YouView devices no longer support Netflix. Original Humax DTR T1000 and T11010 boxes have stopped receiving Netflix updates, and legacy YouView boxes from before 2020 have had their Netflix support completely phased out due to hardware limitations. For compatible devices, the setup process is straightforward. First, verify your YouView box model is on the supported list. Next, ensure your device has the latest firmware installed for optimal compatibility. Then, navigate to the YouView App Store and download the official Netflix application. Finally, log in using your existing Netflix credentials or create a new account if needed. Each step is designed to ensure a smooth Netflix integration experience on your YouView device, providing access to thousands of movies and TV shows directly through your television interface. Remember to ensure all physical connections are properly set up, including HDMI for video output and Ethernet or Wi-Fi for internet connectivity. This ensures the best possible Netflix streaming experience on your YouView device. When Netflix isn't working properly on your YouView box, there are several common issues and solutions to try. Let's walk through the most frequent problems and how to fix them. If the Netflix app isn't showing up in your YouView App Store, the first step is to verify your device's compatibility. Not all YouView boxes support Netflix, especially older models from before 2020. Login problems are often caused by account issues. Double-check that your Netflix subscription is active and your payment information is up to date. Sometimes a simple password reset can resolve authentication issues. If your Netflix content is buffering or playing in poor quality, the problem is usually your internet connection. Netflix requires specific minimum speeds for different quality levels. Netflix has specific internet speed requirements depending on the video quality you want. For standard definition content, you need at least 3 megabits per second. High definition requires 5 megabits per second, while 4K ultra-high definition needs a robust 25 megabits per second connection. Audio and video sync problems are usually resolved by updating your YouView box firmware and restarting the device. These issues often occur when the software is outdated or the system needs a fresh start. If your YouView box doesn't support Netflix, don't worry. You can still access Netflix by connecting an external streaming device through HDMI. Popular options include Amazon Fire TV Stick, Roku, or Chromecast. Many internet service providers offer Netflix as part of their TV packages. BT and TalkTalk provide integrated Netflix access with single sign-on capability and combined billing, making it convenient to manage everything in one place.